I've been dissecting the code on new layer ones, and I've been looking for the perfect formula between security and privacy. And I think I finally found it. This project spent years in the lab building $100 million worth of infrastructure without even launching yet. In today's video, I'm going to be telling you a bit more about this brand called Zero Knowledge Proof, or better known as ZKP. So without further ado, let's hop straight into today's video. Okay guys, so as you can see, I'm on the official website of ZKP. So as you can see, Zero Knowledge Proof, this is the official website. Make sure that you go to zkp.com and this is how it will look. So first of all, in this video, I'm going to be starting off with a big announcement, and that is ZKP's $5 million experiment. So I'm going to be talking about that and how you can actually stand a chance to win a share of that $5 million. Hey guys, so ZKP are kicking it off with a massive incentive program, and that is right here that you can see the win 5 million USD. And how it will work is as follows. So 10 people will stand a chance to win $500,000 each. So it will go over a span of 10 days. And each day, someone will win $500,000. And it's great because the entry price is really low and the outcome is mathematically massive, or actually insane. So I would definitely take a look at this. As you can see right here, 10 winners. So you can join it, and I have all of the details right here in the description of how to actually enter. Let's go back to the home page, and I'm going to be telling you a little bit more about what Zero Knowledge Proof is. Okay guys, so talking about the Zero Knowledge Breakthrough, so ZKP isn't just another fork, it's a layer 1 blockchain built on Zero Knowledge Proofs. Okay guys, so what ZKP will actually do is it will help you solve all of your privacy issues. It will help you to verify data without actually revealing it, which will make sure that you have total privacy on a public ledger, which is pretty cool. And in a lab, we would call this the Holy Grail, because it's actually insane that you will have total privacy across your data while verifying it on a public ledger. Okay guys, so I'm going to scroll back up now, and I'm going to go right here to the pre-sale and click the overview so I can tell you a little bit more about the fair launch formula. Okay guys, so the thing about most projects or companies is that they fail because of something called the VC dump pressure. And ZKP has completely removed this variable, so they won't struggle with this issue. Okay guys, so the thing about this is that it will be a 100% fair launch. No pre-mine, no insider deals, and everyone will participate in the same auction. So the demand will actually set the price. So it makes it fair for everyone, and everyone will participate in the same auction. Hey guys, and another thing is that they also coded a burning mechanism. So every coin not sold during the auction will actually be burned afterwards, and they will be completely destroyed. Okay guys, so as we move through the 17 different launch phases, supply and demand will get tighter. So it's a simple supply and demand physics that will actually work in your favor. So you need to make sure that you get into this right now while it will still work in your favor. The results are in, and this is one of the strongest fair launches of the year. Click that link below to join the daily auction of zkp.com and stand a chance to secure your prize of $5 million. Okay guys, that will be all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell icon so you don't miss a single video we upload. Until the next one, cheers.